Observa pays users to visit stores, take photos, and answer short questions. And some tasks can pay between $4 and $20, depending on how detailed they are. That makes it one of the more practical side cash apps if you already run errands. By the end of this, you'll know how Observa works, how the money side looks, and whether it's worth your time in 2026. Observa is a retail audit app. Companies use it to collect in-store data. That includes checking product placement, pricing, stock levels, or promotional displays. Instead of hiring full-time staff, they pay app users to do it. The process is simple. You download the app, sign up, and enable your location. The app then shows available jobs nearby. These jobs are called observations. Each one has instructions, a payout amount, and a deadline. The main question is always the same. Does it actually pay? Yes, it does. Observa pays through PayPal after your submission gets approved. That's important because approval is where most people mess up. If the task asks for 3 angles of a shelf, send 3 clear angles. If the app asks for a close-up of a price tag, make sure it's readable. Low-quality photos can get rejected. That means no payout. The best part about Observa is flexibility. You choose what jobs to take. There's no minimum schedule. If you're already going to Walmart, Target, or CVS, adding a quick observation can turn that trip into extra money. That's where Observa works best. It's not built for full-time income. It's built for stacking. For example, if you combine Observa with apps like GigWalk, EasyShift, or Field Agent, you can check multiple apps before heading out and maximize one trip. That's the smartest strategy. Now the downside. Available jobs depend heavily on your location. If you're in a major city, you'll likely see more options. Smaller towns usually get fewer postings. Also, some higher-paying tasks require more time and better attention to detail. That matters because rushing lowers your approval rate. So here's the quick breakdown. Observa is legit. It pays through PayPal. And it works best for people who want extra cash during normal shopping trips. It's flexible, but inconsistent. Your next step is simple. Install the app, check the map around your area, and test one low-paying observation first so you understand the process. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more honest app reviews and side hustle breakdowns.